Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on what you should do if the AXS app or AXS app is not working or crashed. In order to fix your issue, you have to follow these steps. First of all, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can go ahead and switch over to mobile data or maybe Wi-Fi for a certain amount of time and you should be able to fix the issue. However, if you're still unable to fix it, you can make sure to turn off any VPN services on your device. It may be blocking access to the website itself. You can also go ahead and try logging into your AXS website and not just by using the app. Sometimes the issue might be from the server itself, so you can go ahead and try switching the device as well. And if nothing seems to be working out, then you can try uninstalling the AXS app, and once again you can try reinstalling it, and that should be able to fix the issue. In some cases, if you haven't updated your application for a while, then it might be one of the issue. So you can go ahead and try checking for an update on your respective app store. You could go to your app store and then you could type in access ticket. In here you can see update or open, then you could update the application. If nothing seems to be working out, try restarting your device. It should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the troubleshooting steps you should try in order to fix your AXS app not working or crashing. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.